Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Shri, and today we'll learn something super cool: context augmentation with Llama Index. You might notice this is a drastic change from our last video, but everything is AI now. And trust me, Llama Index is something you definitely want to know if you are interested in AI and LLMs. I never wanted to bore you people with PowerPoints in my videos, but sometimes we need a little bit of context to dive into the topic. So here comes one. What is Llama Index? Llama Index is a framework for building context augmented LLM applications, which means a use case that applies LLM on top of your domain specific or private data. Why context augmentation is required? LLM serves as a natural language interface between humans and data. Even though they are trained on vast public data and could perform well over a common use case, it might lack training and perform poorly while implementing for your specific problem. Think of these scenarios. You want to extract answers from your last year's sales data, and you don't want to spend hours and hours preparing a dashboard. Or you need to build a chatbot for medical assistance, which should be context aware of the medical questions. And your data might be in different formats such as DBs, documents, CSV files, etc. And that's where Llama Index fits perfectly. Llama Index ecosystem has more than 150 data loaders, 25 plus embeddings, and over 40 vector stores. Is Llama Index easy? Yep, anyone can use Llama Index, whether you're a beginner, an expert, or somewhere in between. You can literally ingest and query a document with 5 lines of code in Python. Or you can customize all the components in Llama Index, including data loader, retrievers, query engines, re-ranking modules to make it work for your specific requirement. Let's see how simple Llama Index is with a simple querying program. Let me fire up my VS Code. Here I have a book called Animal Farm in PDF format, which is of 44 pages long, and I'll be using this book for this querying demo. And I don't want to share my OpenAI API key, so I kept it under the .env file. Let me create a Jupyter notebook and name it as Demo Llama Index. Here we need to import OS, OpenAI, and modules like Simple Directory Reader and Vector Store Index from Llama Index. I'm ingesting the data from the folder using Simple Directory Reader and indexing it with Vector Store Index. Then I can run queries as many times as needed. Let me ask it to list all the characters from the book. Yep, it gives me a list. Let me ask who is Snowball. Here it explains the character and it sounds like that Snowball character is a traitor. Let me be more specific. Which animal is called Snowball? Here it is. Snowball is a pig. We are done with a small intro video on Llama Index. Try this out and share your experience in the comments. And do let me know if you need a video guide on setting up Llama Index. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Code with Shri for more AI related topics. And hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our latest videos. And I'll see you in the next video with an exciting topic.